Hey everyone, it's Kelly Wise Chapman from Stitches and Sweet Tea. If you could see my setup here, I've got boxes and bolts and another box supporting my laptop so I can talk to you. It's been a crazy, busy, short, long week. So I hope you've had a great week and happy Friday. Thank goodness. Tomorrow is my Saturday to be here, so if you're out and about doing whatever, running errands, going to Sam's, stop by, say hi, 10 to 2 tomorrow. But I wanted to show you the samples for classes for September. Some fun stuff for you. So spooky season is upon us. So we have some things to get you ready for that and also some gift giving ideas. I am not going to tell you dates because I screwed them up so bad last month. So the calendar is posted on the website, as are some things for October. Woohoo! My head. Little, very little, very, very little. So let me show you what we have going on. I've got a bunch of open sew days in September, so take advantage of those if you need help getting something done, or you just want to come and hang out because you've been sick of sitting in your house, all summer. Okay, so we're gonna start, because remember, spooky season. If you do not know this book, The Little Ghost Who Was a Quilt, check it out. There's a great a gal who reads it on YouTube. So check that out. But we're going to do a class, and no, it doesn't have to be blue. But this is the quilt that goes with the book, and I gifted, I think I made 10, 11 of these last year, and gifted them to all the families. So you'll learn how to put it together and how to do the applique face. So that one is coming up to get you ready for Halloween. Also, to get you ready for Halloween, this is so stinking cute. So cute. This is the Witch's Brew. Isn't it adorable? Don't you love the legs? So, we have kits for this at the shop, but Linda is also going to be teaching this toward the end of the month. So, take a peek. That's the Witch's Brew. And then, we also have, Robin is going to teach, I called it Going Batty because that's what kind of week it's been. Whoop. They're going to fly away. So if you want to learn how to do, and this runner is actually a little longer than the actual runner, but you could do one block, you could do a whole runner, you could do placemats. So this is the Going Batty class. So come see the sample, but this one's at the end of the month. And then, because I've had lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of people asking me to do a duffel bag, we are going to do the Holland duffel. There it is. See? Nice. It's a great size. Fits under the seat for in an airplane, or it's great for travel, stuff like that. I'm going to do some for my grandkids. But even better. Want to see? Here's the small, Holland pouch. Here's the medium Holland pouch. And here, imagine, is the large Holland pouch. This is a fun, fun, fun project. Use this one fat quarter. You can do a fat quarter with this one, a fat quarter with this one. And if you quilt up 1.5 yards, you'll have a whole entire set. So the thing, and they all fit. See, now my bag is empty. They all fit inside the bag. So it's kind of like having your own personal set of packing cubes. Makes it nice and easy. Now, we are going to do this class both in September and October. We're doing something a little different. You must. You say, oh my gosh, I want to do a duffel bag. I've been wanting for you to do one. Okay, that's great. But you have to do the Holland pouch first, because the construction is very similar and it will make doing the duffel bag a lot easier for everyone. So we have the Holland pouches coming up on the 17th, I think. I know I told you I wasn't going to say dates, but I think it's the 17th. It's a week from Tuesday. And then the following 2 weeks, we have the duffel. And then we'll do it again in October, just in case you can't make those. But you do have to take the Holland pouch, and you can sign up online for the Holland pouch. The Holland duffel, you do have to call me and put your reservation in, just so we can be sure that you did take the pouch class. Let's see. So what else? If you have not seen the Robo Boogie stuff in the shop, you got to come see it. But this is the samples that we made up. Thank you, Miss Debbie, for sewing these. This one is called Moon Dance, and actually Linda is going to be teaching this in October. So we have it in a pink, and wouldn't it be so cute, the little girl's name on it? Get busy. And then we have it in green. See? And somebody wants me, so you hear my phone going off. And then we do have kits. And here's a kind of a turquoisey color kit. See? Look, that's what it looks like with the name. Tell me that is not stinking adorable. You can use any font you wanted. And then we also have it in the orange and the yellow. So those are new. I still have pillowcase kits available, so if you're in pillowcase mode, especially since I know Sew & Quilt Company is collecting them this month, so come pick up a pillowcase kit. They're all taken care of for you. And they're pre-cut. Last two things I want to show you real quick is, this one is new from Hoffman. I don't know if you can see it because of the glare. It's called Summer on the Delta. These are for my paper piecers. Not my purple piecers, my paper piecers. And one more, which I also love, and this is from Quilt Works with Hoffman, but it's Mermaid's Tail. This fabric, if you could see inside this box, you have to come in and see inside this box because it's too cool. The fabric is just gorgeous with jellyfish, and oh, it's beautiful. So if you like paper piecing, there's two brand new ones just for you. Anyway, I think that about covers it. I just wanted to show you real quick what this month's projects were. Come by, see me. We have the quilting pedal to the metal retreat coming up. I did put the details with the link in the rest of the email. And we will have the community sew day at Halifax Hospital. See, this is where I screwed up because I gave you the wrong date for that. But I'll be sending out another email for registration, or if you want to just give me a call. This month, well, not September, October, we'll be making pillows for the kids. So I think that about does it. If you have any questions, give me a call. 386-872-4020. It's Kelly Wise calling from Stitches calling. Can you tell I'm tired? From Stitches and Sweet Tea. I look forward to seeing you all very, very soon. Bye.